Hello, Belle. Hello, Belle. Hi, Belle.
Hi, teacher.
Belle? Oh, wait, Belle, for a moment, Belle.
What?
How are you today, Belle?
I'm good.
Wait. Okay. Can you hear
I
me,
hear,
Belle?
I hear it's a baby. I hear
Oh,
a
wait.
baby.
Yes, you can hear a baby because that is my nephew, Belle. He wants to say hi to you. Wait.
Hello.
That is why he's shouting because he wants to say hi to you. Okay, go down now, go hard. Wait. Okay. Now, Belle, let me share my screen. And for today, we will have the continuation of our class, Belle. So, now in here, Belle will have the workbook. Okay. And all you have to do here is to write it. Okay, which among the pictures given are subjects, daily routines, and countries?
One is he wake up.
Okay, yes, that is correct. Okay, for the first one, Belle, it shows make bed. Make bed.
Make bed.
And is it a subject, a daily routine, or a country?
Okay. Okay.
See, this is make bed, right? Where does it belong, Belle? Is it a subject, a daily routine, or a country?
It is it's daily room duty.
Okay, yes, it's a daily routine. That's correct, Belle. Thank you. Now, next one, what about this picture?
It's music.
Yes, it is music, and music is a
Subjects.
yes, music is a subject. What about the third picture, Belle? What does it show?
It's go home.
Okay, yes, go home is go home
It's
is
daily routine.
okay, it's a daily routine. What about this flag, Belle?
It's
What flag is it?
it's it's South Korea.
Yes, it is South Korea, and South Korea is a
Countries.
okay, very good. What about this one?
It's PE.
Okay, yes, it is. Belle, and PE is
Subjects.
yes, and the last one, Belle.
It's Canada.
Canada is a
It's a country.
very good. Well, that is correct. Thank you so much. Now let us have B, read and write. Can you complete the first question, Belle? Where's he? Where is he?
Where is he from?
Very
Where
good. Where is he from, Belle?
he from? Egypt.
Okay, he's from Egypt. That's correct. Now, what about for two, Belle? When?
When when do you eat dinner?
Okay, very
We
good. When do you eat dinner?
we eat dinner at 6:45.
Great
6:45.
job, Belle. Yes, that is correct, Belle. Thank you so much. Now, moving on, let us have this one. When does he go to dance class? He goes to dance class on Wednesdays. Now, what about for two, Belle? When does he eat a snack?
He eat a he eats a snack on
At?
four at 4:30.
Okay, yes, very good, Belle. Remember that if we're talking about time, Belle, we will not use on, we will use at. Okay, now let us have three. What's her favorite subject?
It's
What's her favorite subject, Belle? Mm-hmm. What's her favorite subject? Look at the picture, Belle. Okay, take your time, Belle. That's fine.
um it's I don't know.
Okay, it's social studies, Belle. Again, what's her favorite subject?
Her favorite subject is social studies.
Great job. When does she wake up?
She
Wakes up?
at, at
She wakes up.
no
We don't have time. So is it in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, or at night?
she wake up in the morning.
Okay, yeah, she wakes up in the morning. There you have it, Belle. Next one now. Look at the pictures given, Belle, and tell me the missing response. We have here two um responses. It's see you and it's time for school. So what time is it? It's 8 o'clock. Is it see you or it's time for school?
It's time for school.
Okay, yes, very good. Now what about goodbye?
It's see you.
Very good, Belle. Can you tell me when do you eat a snack? When do you eat a snack?
I eat the snack. I eat a snack
When do you eat a snack, Belle?
teacher is morning eve evening
Yes.
on
Mm-hmm.
it's
Yeah, when
evening.
we say when, Belle, you can
Yes.
say morning, afternoon, evening, or night. Or as well, you can tell me, I eat a snack at 3 o'clock. That is still okay. So you can give me the
Yes.
specific time or the time of the day. So can you tell me when do you eat a snack?
I eat a snack in the at in the evening.
Oh, in the evening. Okay. So it's what we call midnight snack, Belle, because we usually have our snack in the morning or in the afternoon, Belle. Okay. Wait, are you eating something?
No.
No. Are you hungry, Belle?
No.
Oh, no, you're not. Okay, let us have
I'm
these
so hot.
words. Yeah, is it hot? Where is your electric fan?
It's
Where is
don't
your
have.
fan? Oh, where are you now? Are you not in your house?
Yes, it's am I'm in the grandma home.
Oh, that is why. Do they have an electric fan, Belle?
No.
No, but they have an AC.
Yes.
Do you know AC?
I don't know anything.
Air conditioner.
Máy điều hòa.
This one,
Máy điều
Belle.
hòa.
Do they have it or no too?
No.
Wait,
It's don't have.
wait. Oh, they don't have an AC too?
Yeah.
Oh, so it's really hot. I see. You can get a
Oh.
purple and yeah, you can use your hands like this, like this. So it will not be hot. Okay. It's Belle. Where is Taipei?
Taipei is in the living room.
Oh, okay. I see. So you are both in your grandparents' house. What about your mom? Is your mom there too?
No, my mom is in the house and my dad is
Oh,
in the house.
oh, okay. I see. So you two are there. Yeah, just do it like that, Belle. Use your hands as a fan. Okay, what's this, Belle?
It's rain.
Yes. Do you take a bath in the rain, Belle?
Yes.
Oh, yes. And it's really cool. It's really cold, Belle. Oh, by the
Okay.
way, what's the weather like in your place today? Did it rain today?
Now it's hot too.
Oh, it's really hot.
Yes.
Okay, now
Wow.
talking about that, Belle, what are they doing?
They are play.
Yeah, they are playing. What's this place, Belle?
It's a beach.
Okay, yes, very good. What's this?
It's a candy.
Yes, that's right. Now, what is the baby doing?
The baby is cry.
Okay, the baby is crying. What's this, Belle?
It's a pie.
What about this?
It's a glue.
Yeah, yes, that's right. And the last one?
It's a juice.
Yes, that's right. Do you have juice there, Belle? Do you have juice?
Now it's in the house.
Oh, okay. It's in your house too. Can you read the first sentence, Belle?
Yes. He can play at the beach.
Very good. What about for the second one?
The glue is in the rain.
Great job. And the last one, Belle.
She likes pie and candy.
Okay, very good. What is it called, Belle? This one. What is it called?
No,
Can you remember? Oh, you don't know? It's a
I
sand
don't know.
castle, Belle. It's a sand castle.
Oh,
Yeah, do you make sand castle at the beach too?
no. I made a big hole.
Oh, just a big hole. Okay. Now, can you tell me, Belle, when does your mom eat a snack?
It's milk and banana.
Yes. Okay, that is what she ate. What she usually eats as a snack. But when does she eat a snack, Belle? When? In
Hmm?
in the morning?
Is it's evening too.
Oh, it's in the evening too. When does your father go to bed?
Haha.
When does your dad go to bed, Belle?
It's 10 o'clock.
Oh, 10 o'clock? That's still early, Belle. Okay,
Okay.
now let us have this one, Belle. Okay, so do the puzzle, okay? What's this, Belle? What does it show? Mhm.
I don't know.
It's what class is it, Belle? What class is it? Is
It's
it English class? Karate class? What class is this?
it's dance class.
Yes, it's dance class. Very good. Now, what about for two, Belle? What is it, Belle?
It's snack.
Yes, it is a snack. That is right. What about for three?
It's math.
Very good. It is indeed math. Four, Belle. Oh,
It's it's social
it starts with,
studies.
yes, very good. Social studies. Correct, Belle. Okay, next one now. What about this one? It's a meal. What do you think is it? What are you doing? What are you doing, Belle? Okay, what's this, Belle? What meal is it?
it's it's food.
It's not breakfast. What meal is this?
It's
It's
lunch.
not lunch. See, we'll try lunch. Not lunch.
It's dinner.
Yes, it is dinner. Okay, dinner. And the last one, Belle. Do you
What?
know?
I don't know.
You don't know? It's what time? Look at the clock.
It's 8 o'clock.
Okay, yes, it's 8 o'clock. Belle, that's correct. Now let us proceed to the next one, Belle. Okay, can you tell me the missing letters to complete the word? What is this?
It's beach.
Okay, can you spell beach? What is the missing? What are the missing letters?
B E A
Okay, yes, EA. Next one, Belle.
C C H.
Okay, yes, BEACH. That is for the beach. Now, what about the next picture, Belle? This one.
It's
What is
candy.
the miss- yeah, what is the missing letter? What
It's
is the missing letter, Belle?
it's E.
It's E. It's what is the missing letter? We have candy, right? But we have to fill in. Let me see. Why? Okay, that is why, Belle. Not E. That is the sound. Okay, what about this one?
Is glue.
What are the missing letters?
Is it's UE.
Very good. UE. What about this one?
Is
It's
IE.
IE?
Now it's
No.
UI.
Yes, UI. What about for this one?
It's AI.
Yes, AI. Next one, Belle. It
It's
is
it's A AU.
AU.
Now it's a Y.
Okay, AY. What about here?
It's Y.
Yes, and the last one?
It's 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 IE.
Okay, yes, it's IE. Very good. You're good at spelling, Belle. Now, in here, this will be the last one. Fill in the blanks, Belle. She can.
She can play in the rain.
Very good. What about for two?
I like pie and juice.
Okay, great job. And the last one?
She can eat candy on the beach.
Very well, Belle. Okay, there you have it, Belle. So thank you so much. Goodbye, Belle. Take care, Belle.